beautiful and important topic, national parks. What are national parks? National parks are specific places where animals and plants are safe. They are big green forests. They are home for wild animals. They are houses for birds. They are garden of nature. National parks are gifts from nature, treasure boxes. Why are national parks important? National parks are help to prevent safe lands and trees, safe forests, make the earth beautiful. If forests are gone, animals are no home. If animals are gone, nature becomes sad. If nature becomes sad, earth becomes weak. Animals in national parks. In national park, we can see many animals like lion.